Morning campers, morning. It is 10:30 here on this beautiful Bangkok day. We are off out on an adventure. The weather is good, so we're taking the beast. I want to get a bit of footage on that for you as well. Off somewhere exciting for me today. I don't know whether you guys will think it's exciting, but for me, it's a bit of me. So yeah, excited to get there, meet the guys, do a little bit of networking, see the facility, and yeah, see if we can do anything with this opportunity. So looking forward to it. I'm gonna finish my coffee, get in the shower, and get at it. So yeah, let's go. That's us all ready and about to set off to the collective. We're going to be meeting Sip and Jay there. If you know, you know. If you don't, you'll get to know soon. We've got the Insta 360 on to get some footage on our travels. We've got the big beast out ready to go. So yeah, let's go.
I think we found it. I think
wrong turning, but hopefully this road is going to take us here where we need to be. It says we're a minute away, so yeah, hopefully we're on the right track. Just going to stop in a little 7-Eleven and get a little bottle of water. Little bottle of water. We can get there from this road, fingers crossed. But yeah, let's get inside and grab a water quickly. Oh man, you got a little 7-Eleven. Best corner shop in the world, man. Just a little water. Pick up. Little water got, let's fucking go. No messing. Ripping my helmet apart. I just hope we can get to where we need to go from this road. So we should have been on the top road, but both go in the same direction, don't they? So never know, you might see some jumps. We made it. Smashed it. Yeah, boy. We're fucking here. That says we have arrived. The Grasshopper Cannabis Collection. So yeah, excited to see what today holds. A little bit of smoking, a little bit of cultivating. The beast. It's got a little friend look. Maybe they can have a little bit of romance while I'm inside. But yeah, I'm here now. They've not messaged me back, but I told them what time I was coming. So yeah, fingers crossed. Everything's all good. Let's go. Sorry, cab. Hello.
What's up, buddy?
Sweaty cab.
What's up, man?
You good?
How are you, man? Good, man. Grab a seat. Yeah, right.
Martin.
Martin?
Yeah.
Martin.
Bugsy. Martin.
Bugsy Martin.
Yeah. How you doing?
Good, man.